Hi, my friends, Todd here, and we're in my office, and we're actually going to sit down on the floor, open a cool box that I received. It's a grab bag. It's 50 comic books. So I wanted to see what type of comic books I got from them, and yes, it's like a mystery box of 50 comic books that they send you in the mail. I got it for $25, so it's 50 cents a comic. So no telling what you might get. It's just really random. I did it probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and I got some really actually good ones. I actually paid off on what I paid for the entire box set of mystery comic books. So we're going to see, and we'll go through each one, and hope I don't bore you. I'll try to do it real quick. What I'm going to do also is put the value next to that comic book, so you can see kind of what what it's worth. I'm not sure if these will be in great shape. Who knows? But yeah, let's open up the box and take a look. Okay, so I had the box open, and what they did is they put it in separate bags. Like 15 in this one, 15 in this one, and it feels like they're already card backed, which is pretty cool. You got 10 in this, so that's 40. There's 10. And then 10 more. But this first time I've got a collection like this already with the backing on it and bagged. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's open that first. I'm going to open this first one here with 10. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so the first one is number 1. It's the Superman wedding album. So it looks like he priced it at $6 originally. I don't know, but that one there. Then this is Getting Dirty. I'm not sure. It's like an independent comic right there. And I'll have to look, like I said, I'll have to look some of these up. And then here is a Death of Wolverine, number 5. There's that. And then Sinestro on a Quest to Kill the Gods. And looks like a number 1, Year of the Villain. Right there. Might get some glare on it because of my light. Walking Dead. And that's from Image Comics. And I'm trying to see the number on it. I don't see it. It's one of the newer ones, I think. There he goes, Walking Dead. Okay. We Have Demons. Well, these are number 1s, it looks like. And this is from Dark Horse. Right there. And then Batman, number 111. There you go. Then Bermuda, number 1. There you go. And then Stormbreakers. There. I'm trying to see the number on it. I don't see it. But I'm pretty sure that's the Holt right there. Then 9 Stones, issue number 8. There you go. All right, so that's bag number 1. Go to the next number 10. All right, so we get Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, number 3. There you go, right there. Another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Cover B, number 119. And again, some of these I do not have a clue. Of course, we know the Ninja Turtles, but I'm not sure what comic book, if it's really worth anything. Then Strange Adventures. And a lot of these are newer, what I'm noticing. That's fine. And then number 1, Locust. There you go. And here's New Mutants, number 19's variant edition. There you go. And then this is Robin, number 15. So a lot of these probably sat on the shelf forever. I don't know, back issues, whatever. They just had to get rid of them. Rick Grimes, 2000. Right there. It's from Skybound. From Skybound Image Comics. And it says Awesome Extreme Rick Grimes 2000. Okay. And then number 1 from DC, Milestone Return Static Season 1. Then House of Slaughter, number 3. And then House of X. Pretty cool cover. There you go. So I'm guessing that's $6. I don't know what that is. So, all right, so we're gonna go to the next 15. All right, got Wonder Woman right there. One of the newer ones. Wonder Woman Immortal, Future State, number 2. And I love this cover. It's Red Sonja, number 3. Then Metal Society, number 3. And this is Immortal X-Men, number 3. Cool covers. This is the Dollhouse Family from DC. And Doctor Strange, number 5, The Death of Doctor Strange. Got Scarlet Witch on the front, looking happy for some reason. Here's Batman Killing Time, 2 of 6. So it must be a mini-series. Then Airship Enterprise, another mini-series. This is number 3 of 4. Batgirls, number 5. There you go. Here's another Walking Dead. It's like number 30. There. It's Walking Dead Deluxe. And then West of Sundown. The Ultimate Adventures, number 6. There. Then the Stormbreakers, which we had a Stormbreakers earlier. This is a duplicate. So we did get a dupe in this one. There you go. Saw that earlier. So I'm not sure if we're supposed to get a dupe or not. I mean, it's no big deal to me. Then Spider-Man Spider's Shadow, What If, number 2. Then this is Skybound, and number 1 of that series, From the World of the Walking Dead, Clementine. There you go. Then this is the last 15 right here. So I'm gonna have to get a box for these guys. Order that, get these in as a part of the collection. So I'm trying to go through these as fast as I can for you. I don't want to bore you guys to death because some of you guys like this for sure. Super villains. Is it Cordyceps? Looks like it's an X-Man. There you go. And doesn't have a number on it. And then you got, this is DC Comics, and it's Detective Comics number 1061, and it's got Batman on the cover. It's kind of looking at his reflection, so it's not upside down. He's actually standing over a creek or something, looking at himself in the water. And I get a triplicate, so there's another one. So I get 3 of these. Okay. Uh-oh. We do have our first vintage comic book, and I love it. It's a Gold Key comic, Tweety and Sylvester. So it's our first vintage one. So they did slip a vintage one in there. There you go. That's pretty cool. I love the cover. Tweety's putting mouse spray down Sylvester's throat. So got a vintage, nice. Then here's another Skybound. This is another duplicate. So we got 2 of these. It's one of the Awesome Extreme Rick Grimes 2000. Right there. So, yep. So we got duplicates of that. Then Teen Titans number 44. It's one of the newer ones. Right there. But I think it's already paid itself off as far as the, $25 for all these comics. And this is Polaris. Right here. And this is Will to Power, haven't heard of this one before. It's Dark Horse Comics, right there. Almost done. Then we've got Future State Gotham, Red Hood versus the next Joker to the death. So here's that one. And we've got House of the Slaughter, it's number 1. Something's killing the children. Okay. And we got Justice League, Zack Snyder's Justice League comic. I'm guessing it's from the movie. That one, right there. And we've got Maestro World War M. There's a variant cover for that. Then we got Oliver. That's number 4. It's from Image Comics. There. And we've got another Red Sonja. This is a different one. Number 3. Then, last but not least, is Superman Infinite Frontier, number 29. Also featuring Tales of Metropolis, The Father Falls. There you go. And that's all 50 comics. Sorry to bore you, but I was happy. I got one little vintage one. Maybe that paid for it all right there. Who knows? Have to look it up. All right, guys, that's it. And that's what we got out of our mystery box of comics. And 25 bucks, 50 comic books. Sometimes I'll just splurge and do silly stuff like that. But that was fun. So here you go. And I'll have the link to on eBay of the people I bought it from. The one thing I do like that they have done is they shuck each one. They do have a car back on it as well to protect the comic book. So that's cool. A lot of them don't do that. So yeah, get it on time, and I'm happy with what I got. So yeah, some of the duplicates, I could do without, or I'll just trade them or just give them to somebody. But that's about it. All right, guys, to my comic book collectors, hope you enjoyed that, and you guys take care. Bye-bye.